Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I've got another package in the mail here today, and I know what's in here because I recognize the company, but this is going to be something really cool for me and you. This is For Patriots. You guys are going to start to get really familiar with this company coming up. I got a little catalog here. They also have a lot of other stuff, by the way, the For Patriots, and I am not doing a commercial. I'm just checking out products I received in the mail. They have some power greens. They've got food rations. They've got a lot of stuff. They've got a whole lot of stuff. There's a whole catalog and magazine here of all their stuff. So you can check out For Patriots on the internet. Got a whole series of survival gear and equipment. So what we got here is a really cool device. It's the HaloXT multi-use flashlight from For Patriots. One I'm going to set aside, and we're going to do a giveaway. So after we catch up here, I'll be putting this up on the weekly giveaway on DIY Tube Video Community. And if you haven't seen the videos so far, every week on DIY Tube we're giving away another product. So go on over to DIYtube.video and create a free anonymous account using just a legitimate email so I can inform you if you won, and join the current weekly giveaway. When I'm ready, I'll be doing a separate video for this one. I'm putting it aside. I will not open it. This one is for me, and I'm going to do a full field test and review. We have a compass, a powerful magnet, a window breaker, and a steel blade, as well as a flashlight. And there's more. There's a lot more. There's an image of it. It's solar powered and dual USB charger. So this is a serious multi-function tool here, which I can't wait to try out. And immediately the charging indicator light comes on. Look at that. Very sensitive. I'll tell you what, the For Patriots solar cells are high quality. I have noticed that already, because just went with a LED light burning in this room. This thing is already showing a charge. Yeah, that's definitely the charge indicator, just from my LED light and residual daylight coming in through the window far away. Pretty cool. Already charging. Look at that. So what we've got here is, I'm going to peel off the protective label. We'll get even more charge coming in there. We've got here a unique device. We have your main flashlight, okay. We have your glass breaker. We have a cutter, probably seatbelt cutter would be what I would think it would be for. Definitely a good automotive tool. I'm not sure what this is. It's got to be our charging port. Oh wait. I'm not sure what that... Oh, it's a cover. I'm not sure why that's there. Remove before use. Okay, that protects it from being turned on and shipping. There's your power button. And we've got LED lights on the side, it looks like. There's LED bulbs on the side. And there's your compass. Alright. Somewhere around here, I'm wondering if it's... But here's your magnet. So you can attach it to something. That's great for using that as utility light. Clamp it onto your vehicle while you're working under the hood. That's convenient. I'm guessing the ports are going to be back here, and sure enough, there's your USB output and your USB input. It comes with a USB charging cable. So it's solar chargeable, USB chargeable, and it's a USB power device. So pretty cool so far. I've got to check the instructions, and I'm sure I'm going to find out even more. Now I don't know the status of charge, so let me check that out and get right back to you. This cool little unit has a lot of functions, and I already blinded myself trying it out. So we already see it has a solar panel for charging, a USB port for charging, alright, and yes, this is a seatbelt cutter or for cutting twine or whatever. It's a razor sharp cutter, and that's a glass breaker. Now to turn it on, depending on what... I'm turning it away from you as I do it, depending on what mode it is, you click it and it comes in the last mode. I'm going to click it off because it's blinding me. it comes on in the last mode it was used in. So turn it on and it's red flashing, and in SOS mode. Is it SOS? Strobe and blinking light. So there's strobe and blinking light, okay, in red, which is great for emergencies, roadside emergencies. Really cool. Because of the magnet on it, you can stick it on the end of your car, on the bumper, for roadside emergencies or for signaling people for help. That's cool. Now, long press and another function comes on. And now I've got the light, which has 3 levels of brightness. And by short clicking, you go through the functions. So there's bright, medium, strobe, and off. Long click again, turn it away from me. I get the white light, which is bright. I think it's 150 lumens. And then click it again, I've got dim and off. So there's high and low and off. And then long click, I'll get the red, click it again, and off. Long click again, I'll get the flashlight and high, then low, strobe, off. So there's all the functions. Really, really a lot of functions for this little light. I'm quite impressed and surprised with that. Feels good and solid. I was impressed with the machining of the end cap when I was unscrewing it. You can feel the fine precision. This is aircraft aluminum, and you can feel when you're working with aircraft aluminum. Really nicely machined. The main light is 200 lumens with a distance of 328 yards, a range of 328 yards, and it lasts 3 to 4 hours on high, and on low it lasts 5 to 6 hours, which is pretty impressive for, you know, continuous burning. The side light lasts for 3 to 4 hours on high and 6 to 7 hours on low, so pretty much the same brightness, intensity, and useful duration on the battery. Now there's a built-in 18650 2000 milliamp hour battery inside the device. I'm not sure if it's removable or all because it says built in. It sure would be nice if you could, but that would be something I would look into later if it ever wore out on me. Now when you're charging this device, you can plug it into the USB port. A red light will flash, and when it's fully charged, it'll stay lit, letting you know that it's charged. When you are charging another device with it, I believe it was a blue light, will appear, and that will stay on and start charging automatically, and the charging will stop when the battery's drained to protect the battery from over discharge. Now the solar panel, it doesn't say how much power it is. It does recommend to use for daily use charging on the micro USB port using the provided cable, but I'm going to play around with this on solar power and see what it takes to charge this thing back up. So that, guys, is the HaloXT multi-use flashlight. I'm going to get this on the charge and I'll let you see all the lights I'm going to give it before I close this video out. I'm going to real quick try a discharge demonstration, a charge demonstration, and let's just see all the pretty lights and see all the bells and whistles, and then we'll finish up this video. Just for fun and because there's full sunlight, I threw the HaloXT in the window to charge up, and yeah, charge it on free power. Get as much as I can there for now, and then later on we'll throw it on USB, finish it off. Okay, I have discharged the flashlight charging my phone, and I want to show you what happens when you plug in the charging plug, and then I'll show you what happens when you discharge. Well, it's awkward with one hand, upside down too, helps to put it in the right way. And you get a blinking red charging light somewhere inside there. It's actually inside. But you get a blinking red color inside, and when it's fully charged, that stays on red. So I'm going to charge this up, and when we're fully done, we'll be back. It also is showing a green light. Actually, under room lights, this will show a charge. When charging a device, which it is, with this flashlight, you get a blue LED in the back showing that it's charging your device. Well, that's it, guys, for the unboxing and first impressions video. I kept the cover. I didn't throw that away. That was a travel cover. I threw that in place because I'm carrying this everywhere with me as I work and testing it all the time. So I'm going to be doing a full review and full field testing of this. I will not be breaking open my windshield or my windows of my car, so forgive me on that. Nor will I be cutting my seat belts out of my car, unless I find a junk car somewhere that somebody will let me play with to experiment or try. Maybe I can find some webbing to experiment with. But we'll put this through a full field test and review, and we'll have a video up on that later on. So if you guys want to get one now, go ahead and check out the video's description in the comments below and watch for the giveaway coming soon as well. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Another really cool product.